Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at one of the newest Nike Travis Scott collaborations, the Nike Travis Scott Mac Attack. Now leading up to this release, there was a lot of corny marketing drama between Travis Scott and John McEnroe. Who knows if it was real or if it was staged?
Travis, Jenny's right. Okay, let's have a bit of a compromise here. Her suggestion is to do a Cactus Mac thing for this one shoe instead of Cactus Jack. Okay,
but John, like, I mean, somebody on here got correct me wrong, but this is my first time even hearing about this. Like, Cactus Mac was never a thing. Like, somebody.
Come on, man. Show a little respect. This is my shoe.
I'm not really, like, feeling it. It's like something about it just feel a little off. It's like a burger or something. Like, well, I ain't trying to take nothing away from you. I ain't trying to disrespect. I ain't trying to do nothing like that.
My name is John McEnroe, and I'm from New York City.
Okay, NYC is definitely in the house. Stop playing with them. Woo!
Yeah.
I mean, we see your fit. Describe it right quick.
My fit's pretty basic for the morning. I got a trench coat on. I got a pair of jeans.
Okay.
And I got my attacks on.
Woo! Okay. I saw the video. What's going on with you and Travis?
The thing is that I was wearing these things in the 80s, okay? Take a look at this now, though.
Damn! Okay.
Before this guy was born. Now, all of a sudden, Travis Scott's got this thing, Cactus Jack, so I just made it Cactus Mac. Come on,
okay.
Respect, that's all, man.
But either way, this shoe is kinda stale without the Travis Scott blessing. Retailing at $120, the Mac Attack was released on December 19th, 2023. The Travis Scott Nike Mac Attack SB Cactus Mac delivers the Houston rapper's take on the 80s tennis shoe worn by John McEnroe. A reverse black leather swoosh adorns the lateral side of the upper, featuring breathable mesh underlays and black and gray mesh. Gray leather overlays reinforce the forefoot and heel, while black leather wraps around the padded mid-cut collar. Branding elements include a checkerboard Nike tongue tag and an embroidered Cactus Jack logo on the back heel. Resale is a lot lower than expected for a Travis Scott collaboration, but it's still decent. Most sizes are priced between $200 to $300, and I don't see the prices increasing. Sure, the shoe is clean and the materials are premium, and I'm sure they're also very comfortable, but the shoe is just kind of boring. It also comes in a plain attack box with no additional Travis Scott branding, so that also makes them kind of a dud in my opinion. I'm still gonna flip them and make a few bucks, but it's not a shoe that I'm gonna keep in my rotation. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.